Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Lock Screen. This gives you the controls you need. Make sure you're on the device and can unlock it because the phone will ask for your current PIN, pattern, or password. Once done, review the screen lock type entry so you know whether you'll disable a PIN, pattern, password, or biometric. This matters because disabling different types follows the same path, but may prompt extra confirmation for security reasons, so stay ready. Next, tap Screen Lock Type and authenticate with your current method. The phone requires proof before changing security. After authentication, choose None or Swipe if you want no secure lock. Tap it and confirm when prompted. If your phone won't allow None because biometrics or a work profile is active, go back and disable fingerprints or face unlock under Biometrics and Security, then repeat the screen lock change. Make sure to read any warning about removing protection so you understand the risk. Finish by locking and waking the device to verify the lock screen is disabled. You should go straight to the home screen or swipe. If the None option is grayed out, make sure no device admin apps, Find My Mobile, or a work profile enforces a lock. Disable those or sign out. If biometrics still block changes, remove stored fingerprint/face entries, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip. If settings behave unexpectedly, reboot the phone and reattempt the steps before considering a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.